Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on the accessibility plugin in Xitester. In this video, we'll explore how accessibility testing ensures websites are usable by people with visual impairments. Xitester uses WCAG 2.0 standards to help you make sure your products meet the necessary criteria for inclusion and usability. To get started, navigate to the Accessibility plugin by clicking on this icon here. Once inside, you'll find a two-panel interface. The left side displays a list of pages you've added for analysis. The right side shows detailed results for the selected page, providing insights into any accessibility issues detected. Let's add a page for analysis. Click on the Add Page button located here. This opens a form where you can enter a page name to identify the page. For example, you can use BBC Homepage if you're analyzing the BBC website. Input the URL accurately to ensure proper analysis. Once done, click Save to add the page. The new page will now appear in the list, ready for testing. To begin testing, select one or more pages using the checkboxes on the left. Here, I'm selecting BBC Homepage. Then, click the Run button to start the analysis. After clicking Run, you will be prompted to select the gateway for the analysis. Choose the appropriate gateway, click Confirm, and the plugin processes pages sequentially, ensuring a thorough and accurate evaluation. Once testing is complete, you can view the results. The results table provides a detailed breakdown of the issues detected. Each issue is categorized with key details, such as type, the nature of the issue, like button names or color contrast, a brief description of the problem, impact, the severity or criticality of the issue, XPath, the location of the issue in the code, enabling developers to pinpoint it quickly. To explore each issue in detail, expand its type. For example, expand color contrast to see all related issues. You can click the preview to see a visual of the affected element, helping you quickly identify and fix it. To get a quick overview, head to the Chart section. Here, you'll see a visually appealing pie chart categorizing issues by impact, helping your team prioritize fixes efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial. With this powerful tool, you can ensure that your websites meet accessibility standards and create an inclusive online experience for everyone. Together, let's build a better and more accessible web.